Today is day 50 of my 150-day stitch series, and we're learning the pistol knot. It's a simple and beautiful 3D stitch. Bring your needle up and stretch the thread toward the point where you want the knot to sit. Now wrap your thread just like a French knot, keeping the thread firm so it holds its shape. Then insert the needle back down to secure it in place. And that's your pistol knot, quick, easy, and perfect for adding dimension to your embroidery. If you want to learn anything specific, please leave a comment. I would love to make a video specifically for you. I am using 6 strands of floss in this design. You can use any number of floss you want. Follow for more.